Hi, in this video, we're going to learn how to solve quadratic equations by two methods. First, by extracting square roots, and number two, by factoring. So first, in the first part of this video, we will learn how to solve quadratic equations by extracting square roots. First, let's discuss what is a quadratic equation. Now, this is the definition. A quadratic equation in one variable, we will deal with only one variable or one unknown, and that is x or y. Okay, so we will deal with one variable at a time. A quadratic equation in one variable is an equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, kung ina niyang dagway sa imong equation, no? Kung makita nimo ang highest exponent 2, then sunod 1 dayon, then wala na dayon siya constant na dayon ang nagsunod or any number. If this is the form of your equation, then that is called a quadratic equation. And remember that your a, b, and c, so this one, a, b, and c, it must be real numbers. So, we already knew what real numbers are. So, mga numbers na siya, no? Either fraction or non-fractions. Okay? And remember also that your a must not be this one. It must not be 0. Okay? So, bahala na si b o c. Puro na sila 0 or either of these two, b or c, 0. Basta kay ang a, dili 0. Okay? So, we have some examples here. Example, sa mga examples sa quadratic equation. So, kaning number 1, this is an example. 4x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So, obviously, if you're going to compare this one with this form, this is considered now as quadratic equation. So, anong quadratic equation man siya? Kaya na, di man siya dagway, no? So, ax squared plus bx plus c man siya dagway. So, if you look at the left side, pareha gid kayo siya ani. Kung tanaw nimo siya, nalay minus, pero basically plus ra gyapon na siya because kani ma-rewrite ni siya as 4x squared. Ang negative 3 pwede naman masulat as plus negative 3x plus 1 equals 0. So, if you look at the left side, okay, pareha ra gid siya ani, di ba? So, meaning ang atong a dari 4, ang atong b negative 3, and our c is 1. Okay? Kung tanaw mo siya, di ba? So, tapad ni x squared, tapad ni x, mo ng b, then ang c mo to'y constant. Equals 0. So, kini, nga equation, pareha raman sila ani, equivalent lang. Meaning, pareho silang solution. Pag equivalent, basically, the same equation na sila. Okay? So, since quadratic man ni, so meaning quadratic po ni. Quadratic equation. Diba? So, meaning, kini, quadratic equation. So, that's why it is quadratic. Now, it's considered as quadratic equation. How about number 2? For number 2, kung tanawon nimo siya, kulang siya term, no? Kay dare, kung tanawon nimo ang iyahag yung concept, tulog siya ka term. 1, 2, 3. Pero dare, duha lang. But, remember, you can rewrite this again as, so, masulat nimo siya balik as, with 3 terms na, no? So, if you look at the left side, pwede na ito ma-rewrite as 2x squared plus 0x minus 5. Minus 5 is actually plus negative 5, okay? That's equal to 0. So, kini, ato lang gipasulat og paing ani, no? So that, murag mainani ang noun. So, if you look at this, mo gini siya, right? And our a is 2, our b is 0, and our c is negative 5. So, since quadratic equation man eh, so meaning quadratic equation po ni. So, meaning number 2 is a quadratic equation. So, that's an example siya, no? Okay, number 3, pareha ra gyud kaayo. You can rewrite the left side as x squared plus, plus negative 2 x plus 0 equals 0. So, as you can see, okay, kani siya, mo gini siya, no? So, ang a kay 1, alright? Ang b, negative 2, okay? And our c is 0, alright? So, quadratic equation, therefore, quadratic equation po ni siya. Kay pareha raman ni silang duha. nga nga equation, no? Equivalent ra na sila nga equation. They're just the same. So meaning number 3 is also quadratic equation. All right? How about number 4? So less obvious siya, no? Tanaw ni mong left side niya, dili gyud siya ingani. Pero kung tanaw nimo ni siya, kung imo ni siyang i-FOIL method, I'm sure that you know already how to perform the FOIL method. So this one, we can rewrite the left side as, okay, pag FOIL nimo, ana siya transpose. So that's 3x squared plus 6x. Multiply nimo 3x og positive 2. So nod positive 1x or x, then positive 2. So that's 0. Okay. So kana siya o kana mo ni siya. I-multiply. Then simplify. This becomes 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 equals 0. Okay? So, kung tanaw nimo siya, ang kini, mura man gini siya ani, no? So, if you look at this, I'm sorry. If you're going to look at this and this, pareha ra gid kayo. Ang A nato kay 3, ang B nato kay 7, ang C nato kay 2. Alright? So, quadratic equation ni, therefore, quadratic equation po ni siya, no? So, na mga ingana nga cases, no, na less obvious. Pero, ma-obvious siya kung imo ni siyang i-manipulate, no, or imo ni siyang i-solve kadali, and then he'll come up with this. So, you will see that this one and this one are just the same. So, pareha naman si ani, okay ni, quadratic man. Therefore, kani pod, quadratic, kay pareha naman ni si ani, di ba? Equation. So, meaning number 4 is also quadratic. Alright? So, meaning, okay, so mga non-examples, unsa man ang mga non-examples sa quadratic? Example kani 0x squared plus 2x plus 5 equals 0. This is not a quadratic equation because your a, which is mo man na siya, no, tapad ni x squared, it must not be 0. So meaning this one is not quadratic. Okay, kay kung i-simplify pod nimo siya, may mo na siya 2x plus 5 equals 0. And this one is a linear equation, right? Kay ang highest exponent 1. Okay? What's kaning example like this one? Let's say 2x squared plus 5x raised to 1/2. Ang exponent 1/2, no, fraction. Okay, minus 6 equals 0. Naman ta later, no, makasugat tag mga exponent na fraction. It turns out na kuan na sila mga roots, all right? Now, kung tanaw na to, although na squared, then dili po 0 ang a, pero kung tanaw nimo ang x dapat exponent niya 1. So diri kay 1/2 man, so dili pwede, dapat 2 og 1 ra gyud na ang exponent ni x. So meaning kini obviously is not a quadratic equation. So imo lang siyang itandi gid ang form, no, imong i-compare ba. So, kung dili inani ang dagway, so dili quadratic, just like this. So, this is another non-example of quadratic equation. Okay? I hope nasabtan siya. Alright? So, ang kuan lang point gyud is i-compare lang nimo siya ani nga form. Alright? I-compare nimo siya ani nga form, unya dapat ang a dapat dili 0. Kana lang, no? So, pag masatisfy, so meaning that's a quadratic equation. Alright? So, I hope na kuha siya. Now, that's our quadratic equation. Now, the basic question here, when we are introduced with an equation, or, you know, a class of equation just like this, the next question will be, how will you solve this equation? How to solve? Alright, so that's the second question. Okay, so that will be our Q. Alright. So the question is how to solve quadratic equation like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, mo nang pangutana. There are 4 standard methods to do that. Okay? So, how to solve? Pag may kog how to solve, it means kwaon na to ang value sa x, no? Nga mo satisfy sa atong equation. So, no, pag mangita tag number or numbers diri nga pag ipuli na to diri sa x, unya pag solve na to sa left side mo equal gid sa 0. Can we find a number? Okay. So there are many ways to solve, no? Pareho man ang solve o get the roots, no? Anyway, mura na sila. So, muna na, no? So the answer is there are 4 methods, no? There are 4 methods to solve quadratic equations. Pero it turns out na ang mas general kay katong last two, okay? So there are 4 methods. First, we have extracting square root. Square root, we will discuss it after this. Number 2, by factoring. So, kailangan masolve po din siya by factoring. So, dapat kabalutag factoring. Number 3, by completing the square method. Okay, completing the square. And number 4, by quadratic formula. Okay, quadratic formula. Kaning first two, dili kay ni sila general na method to solve for quadratic equation. Alright? Kay kining first, kay nasa certain form na imong tan-awon bago ni magamit ng method. Kani, ang factoring, dapat ma-factor ang left side, no? Pero kining last two, kay magamit gid nimo ni siya maski unsa nga quadratic equation. So, in other words, limited lang ning first two methods and then ang kaning last two methods kay ma-solve nimo ang any types of quadratic equation. So, first we will discuss the extracting square root method. Okay? So, muna ni siya. So, let b be equal to 0. Okay? So, atong i-discuss niya before we, we will generally discuss the method and then we will give some examples later. Okay? So, if we let, okay? So, dapat lahi color, no? Black na lang ta. So, if we let, or let's suppose, no? Let or suppose that b equals 0. And we know that we have a general equation, general quadratic equation. Tawag ani kay general quadratic equation, no? Kining nasa taas. Kini siya. By the way, ang tawag ani kay general quadratic equation. Okay, general. Basta ang left side, ang right side 0 and then inani ang form sa left side general na dai na siya. Quadratic equation. Okay? So, going back, let b be equal to 0 and we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now, if we let b be equal to 0, so kung ang b daw na to 0 kani siya unsa may mahitabo. So, kung may tabuan na mahimong ax squared plus 0x plus c equals 0. And then you're going to simplify. So, mahimo lang siya ax squared plus c equals 0. Diba? Kay ma-0 naman ni siya. Okay? So, ma-0 din mawala. So, kini na mabilin silang duha. So, after ana, ibalhin mo ang c sa right side, no? Then, ax squared equals negative c. Diba? Pag i-transpose, may mong negative ang plus. Then, divide a both sides. Alright? So, divide a both sides. A and a. Then, cancel out. You have a. So, ang goal ginato rin no, kay kwaon ang value sa x. Alright? So, negative c over a. Now, ingani ang mahitabo, no? Kung ang atong ang right side nato kay positive, non-negative, okay, let's say non-negative siya. So, meaning greater than or equal to 0, kung tahay lang, no? So, dapat ang imong ang right side dapat greater than or equal to 0, dapat dili negative. In other words, dapat di siya negative. So, kung kuaon na to ang x gid ani, ang answer kay x equals positive negative square root of negative c over a. Diba? Kung naka-remember ka sa principle, x squared is equal to d. Pag ang d nato kay dili siya non-negative, ay dili siya Pag ang d na to kay non-negative, so ang answer gid ana kay x equals positive negative square root of d. Mura gug ani x squared equals 4. Di ba ang answer ana kay x equals positive negative square root of 4? Simplifying, may mo ng positive negative, pilagay ng square root of 4, that's 2. So we have two answers. We have 2 and or x equals negative 2. So same with here, no? Mas general lang ni siya. Okay, so pag magkuanday ka, walaon nimo ang squared, ang right side na karon mahimo na siyang square root plus minus d. Okay, so mo po na tong gihimo dere. So ang gihimo na to dere, gihimo na to siya dere. All right? So na compare ninyo. Kaya la ang d na to dere kay kini, no. So mo na ni siya ang d dere sa sulod, then mo na ni siya kani, then x. Okay? So gi-applyan lang siya kini nga property. All right? So kung kani daw, then we can say that this one. All right? So unsay point na niya tong discussion dere? So ang point nato kay makuha nato ang value sa x, no? By using extracting square root method if your b is equal to 0 and our right side will be equal to ang right side nato dapat kay kuan siya non-negative. So duhang requirement dapat b is 0. So meaning walay makita nato ingani ang dagway, no? Inani ang dagway. Kung inani ang dagway, in other words, pag inani ang dagway sa imuhang o kung tanaw nimo, no, kay mo man ni siya. Okay? Okay, kini siya. Kini kay mo man ni siya. Kung inani mong dagway sa imuhang quadratic equation, unya ang atong d kay non-negative, then we can use the extracting square root method, which is imo lang nang siyang i-divide ang a both sides para ma-cancel ang a, and then x squared mabilin, then d over a, then mo na to ma-plus minus square root of d over a. So ana ang atoang pag inani ang dagway, dali ra kaayo i-solve nato ang quadratic equation. So allow me to give some examples para mas masabtan. So we'll give some specific examples. Okay. So dira to ibutang, no? So we have some examples. So number 1 we have, let's say kini mas simple na quadratic equation, x squared minus 25 equals 0. Di ba quadratic man ni siya? X squared minus 25 equals 0. Di ba? Kaya kung i-expand mo, x squared plus 0x minus 25 man siya. So, yeah. This is quadratic equation. Okay, now, saan na ito ni pag-solve? By using extracting square root method. So, ibalhin lang nimo ang constant sa, balhin na nimo ni siya sa right side. So, i-separate nimo siya sa x squared. So, x squared equals 25. Now, to get the x, of course, we will use this property right here. Do not forget this one. So, note, okay. So, meaning, this becomes what? Ang atong 25 dere, mo na atong d, okay? So, x equals positive negative square root of 25. I know, kabalo ka sa answer aning, positive kaning square root of 25, principal square root of 25, that is 5. Alright, so meaning we have two answers, positive 5 and negative 5. So x have two answers. We have 5 or negative 5. So duha imong answer. Okay, so na-solve na nato. Okay, muna na yung value sa x. Pero i-check sa nato kadali ha, para sure gyud ta. Okay, so let me try this pink. Okay, so we check para maklaro gyud, no? So first, testingan nato og gamit ning x equals 5, unya ipuli nato sa original nato nga equation. So ang original equation kay x squared minus 25 equals 0, dapat mo equal gid siya sa 0, no? So ang kuan ipuli lang, so just substitute x, okay, 25, then minus 25, 0. So this one is 25 minus 25. 0 gid siya. Okay, so question pa na siya. So 0 equals 0. So indeed correct. No? So in other words, 5 is a solution. Okay, and then similarly for negative 5, let's see what happens. So just substitute in our original equation. Mo man ni siya. So that is negative 5 squared minus 25 equals 0. Negative 5 then squared, naka-parenthesis, so meaning 25 minus 25. So is that really 0? Yes. So 0 equals, so pag-assure, so 0. Indeed, correct. So, meaning solution sad ni siya. Alright? So now we have our solution set. So kung ipasulod gani siya, kung pangitawon gani ang solution set class, dapat isulod gyud siya sa set. Okay? Kay mamali ka na og wala sa siya sa set. So kay solution set man, so sa set siya ibutang. Alright? So meaning the solutions are 5 and negative 5. Okay? So asa daring extracting square root? Obviously na daring apart, no? I'm sorry. Okay, na siya daring apart. Alright, na siya daring apart. So gisolve nato ang quadratic equation by extracting square root. Alright, and eventually makuha na tong value sa x and then and so. So that's why extracting square root ang tawag sa iya, kay obvious man, no, from the method. Okay. Last example. This one. Okay, let's try this. Second example. So if you have questions, feel free to ask in our schedule for the Q&A. So next example will be this 9x squared minus 5. So please be patient kung gamay lang ang example akong mahatag dere. Okay. Okay, so yeah, we are going to solve this by extracting square root. So to do that, again, balhin mo mga constant sa right side, and then dapat moabot gyud siya ani nga form. Then after ana, i-divide dayon nimo siya both sides para ma-cancel, then you extract the square root by using this property. Okay, so dapat maingani siya forma, no? Okay. Okay, so but ultimately dapat moabot siya sa form nga x squared equals d kanang 1 na lang gyud mabilin nga kapares ni d squared. Okay, so unsaon na to na pag-discard dere sa atong problem? So that is ibalhin sa nimo ang negative 5, so may mong 4 plus 5 na, so may mong 9, then 9x squared. I-divide sa 9 both sides before we can apply the property, di ba? Tanawang property, dapat 1 sa. So, i-remove sa nato ng 1, ang 9 diha. So, cancel out. Then, you have x squared na 1 naman na siya. 9 over 9, 1. Okay? Extracting square root using this property. So, we have x squared. So, ma-apply na ito nga property kaya atong d kay na-negative man. So, na-negative man ang 1. Diba? Di ba na-negative? So, that is equal to positive negative square root of 1. So, dapat na-remove na ni. So, meaning this becomes positive negative. Pila man ang square root of 1? 1. So, meaning we have two answers now. X equals 1 or x equals negative 1. So there are two possible answers for our solutions of our equation. So kini daw mga values sa x na maka-satisfy daw sa atong original equation. Really? So let's check, no, to make sure. All right? Nga mo gini sila atong solution. Now we are going to do the checking. So again, we let x be equal to 1. Let's try kung solution ba na siya gyud. So using the original equation, that's 9, then 1 substitute lang diya sa x minus 5 is equal to 4 gyud. Okay? So 9, kabalo naman ta ang answer ana kay 1 squared is 1 times 9 is 9 minus 4. I'm sorry, 5. It should be 5. And then 4, is it really? Yes, because this is 4, this is equal to 4. So meaning equal ra. So meaning kani day siya kay solution sa ato ang equation. All right? And then similarly, let's try negative 1. Mura gyapon ang results ana, no? Pero pakita lang nato 9 substitute then squared minus 5. equals 4. Is it really? Yes. Negative 1 squared na naka-parenthesis. So, that's 1. Kay lahi pag walay parenthesis, let's say 1 squared, lahi. Ang answer ana, ang 1 lang ang na-squared. So, ang answer ana 1. So, negative 1 ang answer. So, diferensya no, basta na ay parenthesis. So, bantayan na to na siya. Pero kani kay naaman, so meaning 1 na siya. Then, 5 equals 4. Of course, this is 9 minus 5, which is 4. Of course, 4 equals 4. So, indeed, correct. Meaning, kanipod solution. Alright? So, the solution set now is, pero kung ang instruction kay ibutang gyud sa solution set, kailangan nakabutang gyud siya sa set, no? Familiar man ta sa set? So, ibutang nimo si 1 ug si negative 1. Again, basta solution set, pwede ra mag-rumble ang element sa sulod, no? So, pwede negative 1, yeah, 1. So, it's okay. This is not an ordered pair. So, I hope nakuha, no, ang first two examples. If you have more questions, yeah, feel free to ask during our session. Okay, so that will be for the first method. Okay, this is extracting square roots. So that would be all for the first part of this video, and please stay tuned for the second part for the second method, which is solving quadratic equations by factoring. Thank you very much and have a nice day.